Well, I guess I gotta get this finished. So I loop my hoses right now. Gonna have to start doing some measuring to see if I can get that heater box to work in this car. Well, let's get started on that. So I've got this started. Did a couple bends, just been kind of modifying it as I go. I made a bottom, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to make a new one or work with that one still. But so my plan is I'm essentially making a slot where this heater core is gonna fit in there. And then this is gonna sit right up here. So this will be the front half of it, and then I'll have the squirrel cage in front of this. So I got this. Now I got to try to make the bottom part of this sucker yet. So this doesn't quite work, but I'm going to try to work with it and see if I can make it work with this thing. So yeah, now I got to fit this somehow with my only two hands and things, and we'll get her. It's just not as nice as I wanted it to be, that's all. Alright. Well, let me bend this up and see if I can get something going here. Well, it's a little after 11. I've gotten about this far with the heater box so far. Now I got to build the doodad in the front there so I can fit the squirrel cage. So I guess I'm going to leave that one for tomorrow. Yeah, that's the plan. Tomorrow's a new day. Okay, so we got this heater down. Well, I got this far with it. I've managed to find, I don't know, it's like a car heater, like a blower. So what my plan is, because I think I can plumb just a regular flex hose onto this, I'm going to make a shell. I'm going to mount this heater motor, or fan, blow motor, whatever you want to call it, motor onto the front here. And then from there, I'll mount it somewhere. I have some flex, like heater duct or something like that. I can run over here to grab fresh air so I don't get this stanky motor stink sucked into the cab. So now I got to build this. I'm going to build a 4-way cone over into something round that I can put this thing into. Cool. So we're almost there. I'm waiting for my switch for my electric fan yet. Heater box works okay. I guess it's just the way the car is. My defrost, I don't have tons of it. I can't find my hose, so my plan is to get some heater duct hose, or like a dryer vent hose, so I can run here over and grab some fresh air out of this hole. Right now, I guess I'm gonna need some valve cover gas or something. It almost seems like, I don't know, it's a little smoky. Maybe just gotta burn some stuff off, I don't know. But we'll let that sit until I find my other bits, I guess. We'll figure it out. We're close. So my heater box works. I just taped it. I only tacked everything and I just taped the thing, just the seams. Same with this. I just put it in and screwed the fan in. The fans are and the motors at the back part here. So easy peasy. I can still get at my dipstick down there and my vent and whatever you gotta get at. I can get at. So that's good. I'll just Monday just have to run and grab myself a vent hose. But she's just about there. She's pretty much good. I have to adjust that latch. But yeah, look at that. Did my first burnout with it. Good times. I'll get that hood latch adjusted and then we'll figure out from there. So I got this droopy handle yet, so I'm gonna fix that. And I think it's in the mechanism inside where it's actually super sloppy. So basically my plan is to just heat up the shaft on here and just tweak it up. So I will give that a try here and see if it'll work. It almost looks like it's tweaked. I think if I just straighten that thing out, we should be fine. The plan is I'm just going to put it in the vise and just see if I can bend it. So that's probably about where the handle's gross. Might need two hands for that. Yeah, I think that looks straighter. Stick it back in the car, find out. Oh, there you go. That was easy. Easy peasy. So I'm mixed on how well that heater is going to actually work. So I got a squirrel cage out of a, well, looks like the mice got to it, but should be fine for mock-up. It was like a 70s pickup. So I'm gonna just cut and make a box. I'm gonna cut something for this to slide into, and then I'll cut another one on the other side for a hole that I can put some pipe on to do my fresh air vent. So I'm just gonna go over the plasma and I'll just do some measurements here and get myself something that's the same size. I don't know. I'll show you what I'm going to do here. Alright, so left side goes around my squirrel cage and I'll screw to it. The right side will be for my fresh air, and then I'll just wrap some sheet metal around it and I'll make a front face with my hole for my blower. Okay, version 2.0. So we have a little tight, but this will be our fresh air. This is going to go into our heater box. This is a blower off of just an old C10 pickup. Power. It's good to go. So now I'm going to see how it fits, because I've done no testing other than I built the box as small as I could for the unit. So let's try it out now. So as far as heaters go, this one feels like it's got a buttload of power. I had to change out my horn. I put a smaller horn in now. Yeah. All I need to do now is get, because I have this hose, this duct underneath here. So I just need to get some, I'm going to try some dryer duct or something just so I can, and out here. So I'm going to grab that tomorrow. See if I can do that. And I should get this fan ready to go for when my switch comes, so I should get my relay in for it. But yeah, I think that's what I'll call it for tonight on this thing. I think I'm going to start working on this one a little bit. So got me some dryer vent hose, so I'm going to see if my idea works here. I'm just going to wrap this up in some tape or something here, because I'm a little worried somehow this thing will come in contact with my positive there. So I'll get that sorted out. Cool. So here we go. Finished product. Got the duct in there, so got myself some fresh air. Guess we'll see how it goes here.